I'm walking here in the streets of Kfar Aza. This is a kibbutz that was highly impacted by the terror attack of the Hamas on the 7th of October. People were murdered here. Neta Epstein was brutally murdered in this house. Sivan and her boyfriend Naor were brutally murdered. This is her house, and you can take a look inside, see all the bullets. Look at this. Here's their house. There we go. And what's very important to remember, that there's still 5 hostages: Keith Siegel, Emily Doron, Ziv Berman, and Gali Berman. Still 5 hostages from this kibbutz that are held in Gaza.